Making it easy. How about in English conversation? Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're diving deep into a commonly used phrase in English. How about? This phrase is a versatile tool, often used when expressing preferences. Today, we'll look at how to use how about in common situations for expressing preferences. So, let's get started. How about is often used to suggest something or ask for someone's opinion in a conversation. It is a polite and informal way of offering alternatives or proposing ideas. Here's an example. Are you free this evening? How about we go for a movie? In the above conversation, how about is used to suggest the idea of going for a movie. One of the most common situations where how about is used for expressing preferences is when discussing food. Let's look at a few examples. 1. How about ordering pizza tonight? 2. How about some ice cream for dessert? 3. I'm not a fan of spicy food. How about we try Italian instead? In all these examples, how about is used to express a preference for a certain type of food. How about is also frequently used when making plans or suggesting activities. Here are some examples. 1. We've been indoors all day. How about we take a walk in the park? 2. How about we visit the museum this weekend? 3. I know you love music. How about we attend the jazz concert next week? In these examples, how about is used to suggest an activity that one prefers or thinks the other person might enjoy. Finally, how about can be a useful phrase when expressing preferences and making choices or decisions. Here's how you can use it. 1. I'm not sure which dress to wear to the party. How about the red one? 2. We can't decide on the vacation spot. How about we consider Hawaii? 3. The room looks a bit dull. How about we paint it blue? Each of these examples demonstrates how about can help express preferences when making choices or decisions. And that's how we use how about in English conversation. Remember, this phrase is a fantastic tool to suggest alternatives and express your preferences in a friendly, informal way. Practice using how about in your daily conversations to make them more natural and engaging. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to joining you on the next stage of your English learning journey. Happy learning!